everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video which will guide you to download or install Messenger in your Android device. Messenger is a free messaging app used for instant messaging or sharing of videos, photos, or audios. With Messenger, you can easily communicate with any of your Facebook friends. It helps to stay close with those who matter most from any place of the world and have lively conversation with your loved ones. To do that, first of all, you will have to install Messenger application on your phone. Need not to worry, I will absolutely help you to do that. First of all, just make sure you have good internet connection. Then get started by clicking on Google Play Store. Then tap on the search box, type Messenger. Then this screen will appear on your device, or otherwise you can tap on the mic icon. Messenger. When you say Messenger, this screen will instantly appear on your screen. Then tap on the install button. It might take some time if you have a poor internet connection to get installed, but keep patience. Wait for some time till it gets downloaded. Here, Messenger is successfully installed. Trust me, this process is the easiest. Hope you found this video to be helpful. If you did, do like and subscribe the channel. Comment down below for any feedbacks. I'll soon be back with another tutorial video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you later.